How to send files in Line. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to send files in the Line app, which is perfect for sharing documents, PDFs, images, and more with your contacts. So let's get started. First, open the Line app on your phone and open the chat where you want to send the file by typing on this chat right here. Tap on it and open the chat. Now once you are in, tap on this plus icon right here and you will see file right here. Tap on it. Now find the file you want to share, whether it's a PDF, Word document, or another supported format, and tap on it. Okay, once you tap on it, you will get an option called send and cancel. Simply tap on this send and your file will be attached to the message. And that's it. The recipient can tap the file to open or download it, making Line a great tool for quick file sharing on the go. And that's it. Sending files in Line is easy and super convenient for both work and personal use. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.